We're looking here at 2019 Africa Cup of Nations qualification Group F.
Ngucanio cia gwetha mweke wa gutungata thini wa itano cia Africa Cup of Nations mwaka uyu riria ciathiaga na mbere mwaka muthiru ti aingi meciragia imwe cia Harambee Stars no cikorwo ikigatira mweke ucio wa bata makiria na thutha ucio gukorwo magiturumithia maguru mao mucii-ini wa Cairo.
Target has gone through the goalkeeper and it's in. Out of nothing, Ghana won.
Nyafara mweru Sebastian Minye nurwa terefai Harambee Stars arita riake ria mbere oire matamu maya kuma hari kocha Paul Put na ureri uni kocha mnene wa timu ya bururi wa Guinea.
Target has gone through the goalkeeper and it's in.
Thini wa bitika cia qualifiers timu ya bururi yari thini wa Group F kuria angethanagira na mabũrũri ta Ghana, Ethiopia na Sierra Leone kuria thutha wa itano cikuhurwo mwaki Sierra Leone makorirwo magĩikio nja na gukorwo makiandandura mieke ya Harambee Stars gutuikania weru marorete Misri. Imwana cia bururi ciacokire gutiria ngucanio ici iri cia keri na pointi 7 pointi 2 thutha wa atongoria a gikundi giki Ghana undu uria waihuririe bururi gikeno munini wa mutongoria wa bururi akimerera kimanji gia ciringi milioni 50 thutha wa kugutha Ethiopia kiaro-ini gia Kasarani na nguru imwe gwa gibugu. Imwe kwa imwe imwana cia Sebastian Minye cigikorwo iri cia mbere kuharirio kampu ya nja wa bururi-ini wa Faraja ona thengia ya Kenya gukorwo makionekana makirarakirwo ni squad iria coach uyu aniriire. Thutha wa ciumia ithatu Faraja na guthaka ngucanio cia kiurata Harambee makiumbuka merekeire bururi-ini wa Misri kuria riu no beri marumburithia magetha mweke wa kuingira round of 16 ngarangano-ini ici cia AFCON 2019.
It's a beauty. The Harambee Stars are shining now. And they've scored.
Muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kiumia giukite ciegera thaa 4 cia utuku Harambee makahambatana na Senegal. Ngucanio ya muthia ya makundi na kuria no hotani mutheri a Kenya turendithirie imwana ici cia Minye na tugathie na mbere na kumakungwira ta NJORUA citu cia mathako.
In 3 days it will be another kind of game against the number 1 in Africa. We have nothing to lose. And we will see. We have we create a lot of expectation in the country. I know that, but we need to be realistic also. We know it will be difficult, but it was also difficult when we used to play against Ghana a few months ago. And fortunately, at this time, we won. We can do it.
Handũ-inĩ ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mugure wa Karuiru.